Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss, no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all, it's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now today, we're gonna head out to the Nike outlet. I had no plans on going to the Nike outlet, but I'm taking my little superstar son to get some football gloves. Man, it is officially about to be football season, so I got it. You know what I'm saying? You look good, you play good. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I was gonna order them, but they said that they had them at the Under Armour store out there at the outlet, so I figured why not vlog it? You know what I'm saying? I am a shoe tuber. So, but before we get into any of that, man, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the Bobby Sneaker World movement. My dog's running all over the place. Come over here and join the movement. I want to thank y'all again, man, for getting me over that 1,800 subscriber mark, man. That is a beautiful, beautiful thing, man, and I love the accomplishment, man. I'm super, super blessed, and I'm super, super thankful. But we want to get into that, but before we go, I have to send a special shout out first to my boy Splash. I'll put a picture of his page up here. I'll probably put a link in the description for his YouTube channel, for blessing your boy, man, with 2 pairs of Just Don basketball shorts, man. Well, he was able to help me. I paid for them, but he was able to help me get my hands on them. And I'm undsing a pair of sneakers today, so I want to do a quick on foot and on body before we get on the road of the Just Don shorts, representing my homeboy LeBron James out there in LA, and Splash is a huge Lakers fan, so salute to you, bro. Thank you again. I got them on today, and we're gonna rock those to the outlet, and I'm undsing some Jordan 9s today, the Kobe PEs, but I call them my bronze, man, because they got the 2-3 on the back. But anyway, that's enough rambling. Let's get into this on foot and on body of these shorts, and then let's get to the outlet. Love y'all. Alright y'all, so I got the superstar with me now, as y'all can see. So we're gonna go out here and get these gloves real quick, but I wanted to ask him on camera, what are your expectations for this season? Like, what's your prediction? What's the touchdowns looking like? What's the, you know what I'm saying, what we talking?
Touchdown.
You gotta be loud so they can hear you.
I'm gonna say 5 per game. And
5 touchdowns a game?
Yeah.
Alright.
And defense.
How many interceptions we talking about?
I'm gonna say 6.
6 on the season, which is a lot. And we're gonna go 5 touchdowns a game. I'm gonna try to record every now and then, man. If I ain't yelling my head off, man, if I can get some footage, it'll be on the channel. Let's get to the outlet. Alright, so obviously we done showed up at the Nike outlet. Well, we showed up at the Tanger outlet, but we're gonna stop at Under Armour and in Nike store. So I pray that they have these gloves in here, because you know sometimes online don't match up with the inventory in store. They said that they had them, but to get in here and they be like, oh no, we don't have them, we can order them for you or something like that. So I'm praying that's not the case, but if it is, it is, and we'll still get up here and walk around the outlet a little bit and get some footage. So appreciate y'all rolling with us. Let's get in here. Well, that was a quick L. They didn't even sell football gloves in there, even though it says online that they had them. I knew it was a possibility coming up here, but since we're up here, we'll head into Nike and see what they got popping. All right, we're gonna start over here in the GS sizes and see what they got on the hash wall. I think they're running 20% off the hash wall today, so got some little ladies. 6Y was at $50, 20% off. Got these like iridescent for the little mamas, $70, 20% off. What else we got? 99, 20% off. So that's about $80. What else we got in here? Ooh, I like these. I've always liked these though. Still $129, but down from $160, I guess. It's not bad. Size 5. Those are dope though. Alma mater colors. What else we got? Some Legacies, 312s. Got a few pair of these. I would get Josiah a pair of these for the right price, man. They don't have his size though. Size 4 is too small. Okay. Got a couple retros on sale. You know what I'm saying? Got the chlorophylls. Got these GS 99. Josiah's fiending for these fly traps for some reason. But that's his swag, you know what I'm saying? He got the red joints last basketball season. He said he wants the blue ones, so we'll probably come up here back to school time, the little tax-free weekend thing they do. Might cop them these for the low ski. Got these GS colorway only for the bronze. 114. What else we got? Move over here to ladies a little bit. I really like this color, man. 135 ain't bad, especially retail 180. You got the lavender color as well. Not bad. What else we got? You know what I'm saying? A little 95 action, 110. You're fine. We got these. What are these called? Like the Correlate or something like that. A couple colorways. You got these joints, $50. The Rebels. These olive 11s for women. Got a couple colorways in the 55s for $100. Couple colorways for the ladies. For those that like the Cortez, you got these Forrest Gump joints. I didn't know this was a women's sneaker. Or maybe this is just a women's model and they probably had the same for men. Over here in the men's section, look like these retail for these 55s. Not a bad colorway. Got a bunch of pairs. Got every damn colorway they made. Got some Huarache trainers. 125. Josiah dribbling. I don't know who he think he's supposed to be. Oh my God, Kyrie, stop it. They gonna do, what the hell is this? Yikes! Please don't do that again. Please don't, Nike. Stop it. Stop it. A little Dennis Rodman action. He still got these Westbrooks. I thought these got down to like $49 a long time ago. We got all these Proto Reacts in here. I've never seen anybody wearing any of this stuff. What the hell? Stop it. Stop it. This is actually the first time I'm seeing the Taco 5s in hand. These hurt my feet so damn bad, man. I wish I could have kept the ones that I had. But, well, not these, but this 5. Got a couple bronze. The Outcast joints. And then you got These still here or back. I don't know. I thought they were gone. They got a bunch of 9s and 10.5s, 10, 11s, my size. I don't know why the price went back up on them though. They was down to $99 or cheaper. Just gonna scroll past all of these real quick. Let y'all look. Y'all can look and see the prices. At the 312 highs and lows. Eddie Jones. All right, let's hit the hash wall. All right, we got some Kobe. I never liked these, but you know, they're here, 20% off, $95. Got the purple joints as well. You got some Air Max Plus, Chlorophylls, $139, 20% off. All of these used to be a lot lower, and now the prices done got jacked back up for some reason. I don't know if it's back to school time or what, but these prices used to be way lower on these stuff that's been sitting in the outlet for a minute. These for $49. What else we got? I don't see much on the wall. Got these Kobe's. How much they want for these? I'm $175. That's my size too. I might try those on, but I don't know if I'll pay $175 even with 20% off of those. First time me seeing the Jordan 1 spikes in person, $125. These are all getting into the big boy sizes though. 12, 12.5, 13, 14 and all of that. Nothing too crazy, nothing retro. You got some super bronze down here. Shrimp boat size, $200, 20% off. From one Kobe to another. Well, I would say today was a bust, but it wasn't. You know, we still were able to get out of the house. Still able to see a couple things in hand that I haven't seen in hand before. Was still able to put the order in online, and we just have to wait for the gloves. But I was also able to thank you guys again for watching another video and making us our family over 1,800 supporters strong. The goal is still 2,000 supporters by the end of next month. It's right around the corner, so I think we can do it, man. Tell a friend to come join Bobby's Sneaker World. Join our family, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and get back to the house. Enjoy the rest of this beautiful day in Columbus, Ohio. And I hope y'all have a blessed day as well. Ovi!